Are you ready to take your W465 Black Edition to the next level? Hey guys, welcome back to Some Auto Parts YouTube channel. Today we're going to upgrade the W465 to the Black Edition. It will be a light series programming. So first of all, headlights is very important for transforming your G-Class as Black Edition look. So you can compare the headlights, which is LED, and the plug and play, which is very easy to installation, factory horse, and no drawers at all. It will be Black Edition compared with the factory ones. The second one is the tail lights. It's very important, the tail lights, to give our signal. So this Black Edition look will be much more aggressive. This kit coming with the tail light cover. So when you installation, you need to use this cover. And be careful. When you plug the wiring, don't use the 12 volts. You need to use the 9 volts till your technician. For the side mirror signal lights, we make the Black Edition too, so you need to remove this one and replace the Black Edition one. Be careful, we have the E-mark, so it's no wondering to sell it in the European market. So today's video, we're going to show the installation step by step for how to wiring, how to connect the plug, and we are also show you the tail lights, which is a replacement. If you are having the car accident, you can use our tail light for the replace. So it's not Black Edition. Today's video we are just installation the LED headlights, the tail light, and the signal mirror lights. So come on, take our video step by step and have a look of the before and after.